Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am here with a new program which is on production line. This is the factory IOSIN of production line, and here I have the TIA program of the production line, and there is only network 2 to network 6, so only 5 networks for this program. But this is a huge system, but only 5 networks because this is a set of machine. So if I select this machine, you can see that the whole system is one machine. So half of the program is already done by this factory IOSIN. So there is nothing much to do, but I have tried to ungroup this system, this production machine, this robotic hand, and this electric switchboard. So what I tried to do is selected the machine and tried to group or ungroup this system. But as you can see here, I cannot ungroup this system and cannot do the program for this production machine, for this robotic hand, or for the electric box individually. So I had to go with this setup. So where I did is just control this conveyor. This is the entry conveyor, this is the exit conveyor, and these are the actually exit conveyors. So all I had to do is control the conveyors, and the switchboard has also the built-in program. So you can see that the switches are already glowing. So everything is already done by the TIA program. So when raw material, this is the raw material. If I can look at here, this is the raw material. This production line, this production machine is going to turn this raw material into the lead material, and this machine which is at the back is going to produce the base material. So raw material is going to turn into lead material and base material. So this is the work of these machines, but I couldn't do the program for the individual machines because they cannot be ungrouped. That is why. So I have control the conveyors and just the and after, let me show you. Let me switch on the factory IOSIN. So when this raw material is going to drop here, this sensor, this is the sensor. Let me show you from here. Let's go to the sensor. This is the sensors. So this is the one which is the vision sensor. So this vision sensor is going to sense the raw material. Let me start the system. Going to sense the raw material, and after sensing the raw material, if I press the start button with the help of TIA portal, then this robotic hand will take the raw material and put it into the production box. This is the production machine, and it will turn that raw material into the lead material. So that is the thing going to happen in this system, and this part is going to turn the raw material into production base, into the base material. So that is why I couldn't do much with this program, as I cannot ungroup the system. Let me show you again. If I select this system, the whole system is one, and I cannot ungroup the system as well. Let me show you from here. Let's take a heavy, no, not the heavy one, the stations. This is the stations. Okay, as you can see, this is a set of machines. You cannot ungroup it. Let me show you again. See, you cannot ungroup the system. So that is why I couldn't do much with this program. So whatever I did, I'm going to show you now. I had to control the conveyors and just the start button, but I have added a switch on this electrical switchboard. Let me show you that. Let's go to the lead electrical board. So I have added this selector switch. This is the selector switch which I can turn it to 1 and 0. If I turn the selector switch to 1, the whole system will start, and if I turn it to 0, then whole system will reset. Let me turn it to 1. So it has turned it to mode 1, and let's go to the full view. So this robotic hand is taking the raw material and going to put it into the machine, into this production machine, and this production machine will turn the raw material into production, into the lead material, and this one will turn the raw material into base material. So here you can see that the pattern the difference of the patterns. So this one is the lead, this one is the lead, and this one is the base. So this is the lead material and this is the base material, that these two things are producing by these production machines. So nothing much to show here. That is all about this program, as I couldn't do program for this individual parts, this production machine, these robotic hands, or for the switchboards. So nothing much to learn from this program. So let me go to the TIA program. Okay, this is the base material and this is the lead material. Okay, let me stop here. Okay, let me zoom it again, zoom in the electric board leads and turn it to 0. That's it, the whole system has turned it to 0 after doing the work, as I couldn't control the machines. Let's go to the full view. So that's it, that will be end here. The robotic hand won't work anymore because I have reset the system. That's it, it will stop here. So that is all about this program. Let me go to the TIA program. So let me show you the network. Network 1 is only for connecting this TIA portal with the factory IO. Network 2 is for the leads raw conveyor. That means I am controlling this conveyor with the help of network 1. This is the network 1. Then I have this the base conveyor. Base conveyor means the conveyor that was at the back. This conveyor is the base conveyor, base entry conveyor. So this second part is producing the product base or the base material. So the network 3 is for this conveyor. Network 3 is for this conveyor, the conveyor here. So network 3, and here I have the network 4. Network is for switching the network 4 is for pressing the start button of the lead electrical board or the base electrical board. This one is the lead electrical board and this one is the base electrical board. So when a raw material will fall under this vision sensor, I have to press the start button. So that is what I have done here with a delay of 1 second for the smooth operation. If you want to see, let me electrical board leads. So let me show you that this is the electrical board lead, and at the back we have electrical board base. This is the base one. This is the base electrical board. So let's go to the full view. This is the full view, and so network 4 is for just pressing the start button of the lead electrical board. This is the lead electrical board where the green switch is for the start the system or start the lead production line. This is the lead production line because this part is producing the or turning the raw material into lead material. So I have the network 5. Network 5 is again for the pressing the start button of the base electrical board. This is the base electrical board. This one is the base electrical board. So turning on the turning on or switching on the green switch or the start button to produce the base material. Network 6 is just for the exit conveyors. This is the lead exit conveyor 1. This is the lead exit conveyor 2. This is the base exit conveyor 1. This is the base exit conveyor 2. And here I have the exit conveyor. So that is all about the network. network 6. All I had to do is start the system and start the conveyors with the help of the selector switch that I have mounted on the lead electrical board. Let me show you. I'm talking about this selector switch. With the help of this selector switch, I have started all the exit conveyor. So that is all about this program. Nothing much to explain because I couldn't do the program for all the individual machines because it was not allowed by it was done, the part of the program was done by the factory IOSIM. That is why I couldn't do the program for the individual parts of this system. So that is all about this program. So I will see you guys in the next video with a new program. So till then, take care and goodbye.